Ever wondered what it takes to build the sleek smartphone in your pocket? It's not just a single factory line. It's a global symphony of engineering, robotics, and human skill. Let's dive into how these incredible devices are made. It all starts on a computer screen, where engineers design every single detail. They map out the hardware, software, and the precise placement of every component. We're talking about fitting the battery, screen, camera, and chipset into a space measured in millimeters. This digital blueprint is a master plan for the entire production process. The first physical step is creating the phone's brain, the motherboard, in hyper-clean factories. High-speed robotic arms work with mind-blowing precision. They use a technique called surface mount technology, or SMT, to place thousands of microscopic components like chips, resistors, and processors onto a printed circuit board. These machines are so fast they can position thousands of parts per minute without a single error. Once everything is placed, the boards slide through special heating chambers to solder all the components permanently. At the same time, in another part of the factory, the phone's brilliant display is being born. Modern OLED and LCD screens are manufactured in what are called Class 100 clean rooms. These are environments even cleaner than a hospital operating room, because a single speck of dust can ruin an entire screen. Here, ultra-thin layers of glass, light-emitting materials, and touch-sensitive sensors are fused together by precision machinery. Every finished screen is then rigorously tested for perfect brightness, color accuracy, and touch responsiveness. Now it's time for the main event, the assembly line. This is where the motherboard and display meet all the other parts. Skilled workers and robots work in harmony to install the cameras, speakers, vibration motors, antennas, and fingerprint sensors. The camera modules are especially delicate, often containing multiple lenses and tiny stabilizers, so they're handled under strictly controlled conditions. Everything has to align perfectly. Next comes one of the most critical components, the battery. Lithium-ion batteries are powerhouses, but they need to be handled with extreme care. Before one even gets near a phone, it's inspected for any signs of damage, leaks, or swelling. Factories have special safety protocols and temperature controls just for handling batteries. After installation, they go through a series of controlled charging and discharging tests to ensure they are stable and safe for years of use. With all the internals in place, the phone gets its body. The outer casing, made from materials like aluminum, steel, or durable glass, is attached. Robotic systems handle the polishing, laser cutting, and coloring to give the phone its premium look and feel. Finally, logos and model numbers are etched on with lasers for that perfect finish. But a phone isn't a phone until it's been tested. And I mean really tested. This is the quality control stage, and it's intense. Each device goes through a gauntlet of automated checks. Machines repeatedly press the buttons, drop the phone from different heights, and test its water resistance. They bend it, twist it, and put pressure on it to simulate real-world use. They also calibrate the camera, test the speakers, and check the network signal. Only the phones that survive this torture chamber move on. After passing the physical tests, it's time for the software. The operating system, whether it's Android or iOS, is installed, along with all the preloaded apps and security features. Engineers then run a final series of diagnostics, checking everything from the boot-up speed to the GPS. This ensures the phone works flawlessly right out of the box. Finally, the approved smartphones are ready for their new homes. Automated machines package them with accessories like chargers and cables. The boxes are sealed, barcoded, and shipped off to distribution centers around the world, eventually making their way to you. From microscopic chips to the polished device in your hand, the journey is a marvel of modern manufacturing. Brands like Apple, Samsung, Google, and Xiaomi are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. combining robotics and human expertise to create the devices that connect our world. So the next time you pick up your phone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible process behind it. What part of the journey surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the tech we use every day.